An endangered language is one that is likely to become extinct in the near future. Many languages are failing out of use and being replaced by others that are more widely used in the region or nation. Language endangerment is a serious concern to which linguists and language planners have turned their attention in the last several decades. For a variety of reasons, speakers of many smaller, less dominant language stop using their heritage language and begin using another. Parents may begin to use only that second language with their children, and gradually the intergenerational transmission of the heritage language is reduced and may even cease. As a consequence, there may be no speakers who use the language as their first or primary language, and eventually the language may no longer be used at all. A language may become dormant or extinct, existing perhaps only in recordings or written records and transcriptions. The Philippine Negrito languages are bound to extinct. Orta is a highly endangered Negrito language of the northern Philippines. Orta is currently spoken by 11 fluent speakers, undoubtedly one of the most seriously endangered languages in the world. Orta is a language isolated within the northern Luzon branch of Malayo-Polynesian. It has very limited numbers of speakers. Only 11 fluent speakers remain, and most of them are over 50. Some 35 to 40 people have passive knowledge of Orta. They can understand some conversations but can't use Orta properly. Naturally, one of the biggest benefits of the preservation of endangered languages is the impact it has on the understanding of how languages grow and develop. Since communication is a fundamental part of human interaction, the study of indigenous languages offers limitless insights into humanity. Languages discloses cultural and historical meaning. The loss of language is a loss of the link to the past. Without a link to the past, people in a culture lose a sense of place, purpose, and path. One must know where one came from to know where one is going. Allowing the death of our native languages can blot out centuries' worth of irreplaceable cultural ties.